everyone, Tina here. I am so glad you're here today. So today's pour on this beautiful 20 by 20 inch round, I think as we look at my sketches, we're gonna go with something like this today. It is a beautiful, almost like a C shape that kind of mirrors the edge of your canvas, but it really looks like a beautiful bouquet that's just kind of reaching out, and we're going to have a focal point. Having this round canvas on the pedestal will really help me get into those areas where I normally can't reach. So I'll start by pouring this on the outer edges of my canvas. Right, a nice even layer. Let's frost this cake. I think we're gonna lay out our design just like this and hope for the best. Our colors for today are going to be beautiful, bright, and springy. We have a deep, dark purple, an iridescent purple. This one is actually a violet purple. This one is the lime green. This is a shocking yellow green. This is a mixture I made with aqua and my iridescent white. So it's a mixture I made myself. And then this is a light glacier blue. I love my sketches. They really do help. They keep me focused. Now that blew out so pretty. The colors are wow. And we're going to put our focal point right about here. So I'm looking at this and I'm like, I think it's all looking quite beautiful. I don't think I need to add anything else to it. there we have it. She's a beauty. I'm super excited about her. I really think she came out just gorgeous, and I'm excited to see what she's going to look like when she dries. I wanted to share with you my final results. Are just simply gorgeous. I love everything about her. So yeah, let me know what you think.